6 of them sleeping there, and 3 children and me and my husband sleeping here.
Toko iwa ngā tamariki a Andrea Brown rāua ko tōna hoa rangatira. Hei tāna e hānea ne ana, tō rātou noho ki konei.
There's quite a few of us that stay here. It's been awesome since we've been here. Well, better than sleeping in a car. It's been really helpful here. Our property manager, he's awesome.
No mua tonu I te tainga mai o te whānau I te moe, a Andrea rāua ko tōna hoa rangatira ki roto I tō rāua wēne. I moe a rāua tamariki katoa ki tētahi whānau ko tahi ana he te rūma.
We put all our kids into my mum's house, and we were living at the bottom of her driveway in the vehicle while she had all the children in her room, in her house.
What
that was hard. Like? It was hard. It's pretty much out the gate.
Te kaumawha katoa ngā rūma o te whare whakamarumaru nei ara ko te nohoanga. He mea whakahaere te wāhi nei e te rūnanga o Whangaroa, a hei tā te kai whakahaere a Wendy Epiha, e pākia ana ngā whānau e ngā taimahatanga o te wā.
The kaupapa here is that we actually help them to become registered with the New Zealand Housing Register, and where possible help them to actually look for rents, but they're in the line with 100 other people, and so what may look like only 12 weeks or 3 months could possibly end up being 36 weeks.
Tōna tikanga e toru marama te roa o te noho a ngā whānau whakarairai ki konei. Ia rātau e kimi whare motuhake ana, hei tā Epiha, ka ngana rātau ki te tuku ratonga awhina ki ngā whānau.
Market rates in Kerikeri are very high, so they're competing with people who have jobs. They're competing with families who have been on the list for a long time. And in some circumstances, landlords don't want to rent to people who have been in emergency accommodation.
Ko rongo hei tētahi o ngā whānau tuatahi inoho mai ki te whare whakamarumaru nei. Hei tāna kua whai kāinga rua, kāinga motuhake ia.
So when we moved out of here, we were like lost as we were used to our community living here. So we were a little bit lonely, but now we love it. We love being on our own 2 feet. We're still financially struggling, as to say, but we do pay our rent. You know, we've got all our bills covered.
Muturawa iho ko te nohoanga te whare whakamarumaru oho tata tuarua e whakahaere hi ana e te runanga o Whangaroa. Harata Brown, Te Karere.